look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
It is just so moist and so fluffy.
Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Hello angels, welcome back to a brand new video by the one, the only Anna. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a healthy, low-carb, keto chocolate mug cake. And I'm telling you, it just doesn't taste healthy at all. It confuses me a bit. Something that you guys might not have at home, erythritol, but I'm going to also be using honey, but you can just use honey instead, so you can replace how much I use of this with the honey too. The ingredients that you'll be needing are an egg, honey, baking powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, milk, almond flour, 100% erythritol. You can use stevia, xylitol, any sweetener, or you can just use honey. And I've got this chocolate here. I like making the mug cake in a bowl just because I think it's just moister and it so it cools down quickly, and I don't have time to wait for it to cool down. I recommend getting a bowl. This is a good size bowl. It's an average bowl. Bear in mind, this is my first recipe video, so please do not come for me. You need 1 tablespoon of almond flour. This is ground almond, same thing. Because it's just 1 tablespoon, it doesn't taste too much of almond flour, which I hate when it tastes too much of almond flour or too much of coconut flour. It just tastes not very nice and very healthy. I guess you need 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder, so this is what you use in cakes and stuff, exactly what we're doing. With the baking powder, I usually just add about like 1/4 tablespoon, so that's like half a teaspoon, like just about that much. Then I usually put 1 tablespoon of this erythritol. Those are literally all of your dry ingredients, and you just mix them together. And if you guys are wondering why I put the honey and the erythritol, I think it just tastes sweet and just tastes better in my opinion. Next you need to put in the egg, and this is just the egg yolk, so you need to separate the whites from the egg yolk. Okay, so you can actually use the whole egg or just the whites. I really found that just using the egg yolk just makes it like so much better. You can freeze your egg whites and then you can use them in a later date. See, we've got some in there. Break the egg whites into here. That, and then put the egg yolk into our mixture. I'm gonna go and freeze, put this back in the freezer. Any egg white recipes, tell me down below so I can use them. This is what your mixture should be looking like now. You want to put in about 1 tablespoon of honey. Just wipe that off. You put 1 tablespoon of milk. You mix that all in. So it's a kind of a thick mixture, it will get thinner. I feel like it's a bit too thick, so I'm just going to add the tiniest bit of milk. You guys can taste it, it's not going to kill you. For me, that is sweet enough. Make sure you mix it really well. So this is what it should look like. It's just still a bit thick, but it's still nice and batter consistency. And then with this chocolate, I'm going to break up into little pieces. I'm not going to use the whole chocolate bar. I just mix it in. Or you can put like half of it and put it in the middle and it melts and it's so nice. And like when you go into it, it's all gooey. But I'm probably not going to use this all. And just break it into little pieces and stick it in there. As you can see, I've got all the pieces in there. I'm just going to mix those in to the thing. Clean all the batter off the spoon. You put it into your microwave and literally just, it goes in for 1 whole minute. And now we just wait, and I'm just going to tidy up everything that I've made a mess of. And it's just really quick, really easy, and not much mess. And healthy, by the way. So now it's done. You pull it out and this is what it should look like. It's really, really hot. I usually have to pick up with this. But can you tell me how delicious that looks? So if we grab a spoon and just... It's just so moist, and just look how fluffy that is. It is just so moist and so fluffy. Can you guys see that? This was made in like literally under 3 minutes. Let me try it. You can literally see where the chocolate is melted. Let me show you. Right there. Can you see where the chocolate has melted? And look at that. So I will link down the recipe down below, all the ingredients and everything and how to make it. Not link, I will write the recipe down below. If you guys do make this, tag me on Instagram at Anna_Rita and show me your recreations. I know you guys have been asking for me to do this, and I finally. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, more fitness content, more healthy things, especially as a teenager. This one is such a good recipe and perfect, especially when I'm on my period and I feel like eating chocolate cake. But yeah, I love you guys all so much. Ta-ra and mwah. But I've got chocolate. This is so good though. It's so fluffy. It honestly is. I'm not even hungry. I just made this for the video, and that was so good though. Have fun testing these out.